What is going on, Lake Pro Tackle fam? I am on the ball this week with videos because we've got a bunch of cool new things in the shop. Of course, if you're keeping up with the social media, Instagram and Facebook, you're staying up to date with all the cool stuff going on. But this video here, we got a really cool JDM product that you swimbait enthusiasts are gonna absolutely love. We got some cool stuff from Signal. Now these baits right here are very limited. Not a lot of them made them into the United States. We got 3 different colors on these. And if you see the size of this box, you probably know what we got here. These are the Signal Ultra Carps. These things are coming in at 20 ounces, 15 inches. Let's take a look inside here. Again, 3 different colors. We got light rainbow trout. This is honestly one of my favorite colors in the Ultra Carp here. So light rainbow trout is gonna be more of your hatchery style trout. It's gonna be more rainbowy. It's gonna have a lot more color in it, but if you're out in California and you've got a ton of these hatchery trout, especially big hatcheries, those big brood trout, this Ultra Carp here in this rainbow pattern is going to be absolutely killer. Now, even though this bait is 20 ounces, again, I'm talking a big freaking swim bait here. You're gonna need a very specialized rod for this. It does not actually sink down a ton. This actually sits very near the top of the water, and on an ultra slow retrieve, if you're fishing those docks where those clear lake bass get set up on, you know, ready to bed, ready to ambush trout like this, this is the way to target and mimic those trout. This thing's gonna sit near the top of the water and just slow kick. It has a big wedge tail here, but this thing doesn't sink very fast. It's just gonna sit there and it's gonna wag its tail in front of that fish. Make sure you have a reel big enough to handle it. You know, our bestseller reel for really big swim baits, whether it's a glide bait or a big soft bait, is 100% gonna be the Calcutta Conquest MD series, whether it's a 300 or a 400, depending on your line size. You're gonna be able to throw this massive beast of a lure. You know, all the recommended gear is gonna be on the website, but I would definitely go with at least a 2X, maybe even 3X hook on this thing here. You're able to set it up with a harness as well, where you stick one treble here, harness it down, and also put one on the bottom there. Of course, most of the fish that are eating this are gonna be headshotting it. It's easier for that bass to get down their throats going head first. So that's the way they're really gonna do it. So that right here is the light rainbow trout. And just so you know, these are already launched on the website. So by the time you're watching this, they might be sold out. So make sure to keep up, again, with the social media, Instagram and Facebook. This one here is regular rainbow trout. And this is going to be a little bit more of a traditional trout that you're gonna find out in the wild. Of course, the stalker rainbows usually have a little bit more pink color on them. This one here is gonna have a little bit more blue, almost more kokanee style, where it has purple, a little more blue. It's got some more broken up speckles going down it. But again, super realistic paint jobs out here from Signal. Again, same sizes, same everything, 20 ounces, 15 inches. This thing is absolutely incredible, a beast. Big hunk of plastic here, and just want to give a big shout out to Signal Bait Company for allowing us to carry these. Another one here, this is going to be the Ultra Trout Gold Carp, the Ultra Carp and Gold Carp color. This one here is probably one of the most realistic colors of carp that I've ever seen. Of course, one of the most popular Depths 250 colors is going to be that carp, but check that out right there. This thing is incredible. Of course, it's got those bigger scales on it. It is really actually translucent. It lets a little bit of light through. So whether you're fishing ultra clear water or a little bit dingier water, this is going to be a great bait for you. So if you have a calling to just throw massive swim baits like these, head over to the website, lakeprotackle.com, and check out the Ultra Carps from Signal Bait Company, y'all. Very cool stuff. Of course, carry all the line, carry the rods. Well, Leviathan XX Heavy is kind of at that like upper spectrum, but not quite there. But we got Calcutta Conquest MDs, 3 and 400s. If you're looking for Alexa, anything like that, Tatula 300, we've definitely got it. And again, I do want to mention this at the end of every video, y'all. Tariff pricing is going to be going into effect very, very soon. So if there's anything you need, I highly encourage you to buy it before the price goes up. Anyway, guys, make sure to check it all out. LakeProTackle.com. Got the Ultra Carps. These things are a workout to hold, man. I tell you what, but really, really cool stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the YouTube here, follow the social media, and we'll see you next time here at Lake Pro Tackle. See you guys.